I feel like I want to give as much value as I can to all the companies and startups in this space. Well, what's really inspiring about Notion is that it's a company that's really horizontal. They're helping hundreds of thousands of companies do their work faster. And at Genie, it's kind of similar because legal sits across many different verticals. We have over 200,000 businesses using Genie today to speed up their legals. But there's always certain sectors and industries that use us more, and I think it's just great to be in this environment where you can meet people physically and just see the impact of Notion's work and hopefully our work on businesses. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm going in with here.